Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ariba Rushan. I'm a research analyst with years of experience in traditional herbal medicines. Today, I am excited to introduce you one of the most creative formulation by Blossom Lab, that is Gastro Off syrup, that is specifically formulated for your gut health and digestive issues. And you know what? This herbal syrup, Gastro Off, contains powerful herbs that are known for centuries. One of that herb is Terminalia tuberula. This herb works as natural digestive cleanser. It works in relieving constipation, ulcers, colic, irregular fever, and also hemorrhoids. It is rich in vitamin C and minerals like iron, copper, potassium, magnesium, and it also works as anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It works on supporting the colon health as well. Another herb is Philanthus amplica and is also known as Indian gooseberry. This herb is known for centuries for its soothing property for the stomach. It soothes the lining of the stomach, and it also believed to increase and stimulate the digestive juice. It also works as antioxidant. It detoxify the gut, and it also balances the bowel movement, and it also reduces the acidity. Basically, this herb balances the heat of the stomach. Another herb that is contained by Gastro of syrup is Terminalia balearica, and is known for centuries and is also used in Ayurvedic medicines as well. It is used as for indigestion, gastric issues, and bloating. It also enhances your appetite, it supports liver functions, and it also works for the gut inflammatory issues. Another herb, Zingiber officinale, that is also called ginger, is contained by Gastro of syrup. This herb works with the indigestion, dyspepsia, sluggish digestion. It works on flatulence, colic, and gut inflammatory issues. Fennel is another herb contained by Gastro of syrup and is traditionally a gentle herb that soothes and calms the stomach, reduces the cramp. It works as antioxidant. It relieves the symptoms of IBS and ulcers and works as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Peppermint is also the ingredient of Gastro of syrup and is known for relieving the spasm in the digestive tract, and its L-menthol component relaxes the muscles and eases the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. And the last herb that I'll discuss is Cuminum ciminum. This herb has a lot of minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. This has B complex as well. This works on the muscular cramps. It also works on the digestive issues. It boosts the liver function and appetite as well. So, Gastro of syrup by Blossom Lab is the safest and effective way to treat your digestive issues. Now, grab yours. You will order it through their website, that is blossomlabhealth.com, and you will order it and you will get it at your doorstep.